Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today, let's take a look at the newly released Honor Band 4. I give you a quick unboxing and then compare with Mi Band 3. In the box, we found a Chinese manual, a micro USB, and a charging socket. Finally, let's get to the Honor Band 4 itself. Get rid of the tape first. The Honor Band 4 has changed the strap to this watch style. I'm not sure if you like it. I will get to that later. Seems like there's no battery left. I'm going to charge it and get back to you very soon. On Honor Band 4, you have to pull out this black component here in order to remove the strap. I was kind of worried about losing the black thing, but you know, it's at least better than last generation, which required a screwdriver to remove the strap. I'm wearing them on my left hand, so we can have a side-by-side comparison. As for screen, both adopted this curved design, but Honor Band 4 is not as curved as Mi Band 3. Which do you prefer? Just leave your comments below. Let's get on to the screen display. The Honor has a color AMOLED touchscreen, which you can see clearly even under the direct sunlight. While for Mi Band 3, well, it's improved from its predecessor, but it's still not as good as the Honor Band 4, which you can see clearly from the camera. I've been using Mi Band 3 for some time now, since Mi Band 3 has a more curved design than the Mi Band 2, so it's easier to get scratched, as you can see from here. Wanna just test a little bit more? That's the key, and let's do it on the Mi Band 3. And on the Honor Band 4, that's it, boy. Let's even do more with the pair of scissors. The results are a big difference. Next, I'm going to test this heart rate monitor feature. For Honor Band 4, you'll get the numbers immediately, while for Mi Band 3, you have to wait some time. So I just touch it on the heart rate panel and you get it immediately. As you know, it supports continuous heart rate monitoring. The numbers are changing all the time. Moving to the Mi Band 3, you have to touch the button and wait for some time. Not sure if you can see clearly. Now it's out. Seems Mi Band 3 got more heartbeat numbers. Let's do it one more time. Yeah, still a little bit different. Maybe change the position of the bands. We can see from the Mi Band 3 we got more than 100 heartbeats. Seems this has nothing to do with the position. Anyway, as you can see from the test, Honor Band 4 has a much faster measuring speed than Mi Band 3. That's it, guys. It's just a very simple hands-on video of Honor Band 4 unbox and comparison with Mi Band 3. For more, I will get to you later, and I'll just put all the links in the description. Please make sure to check all that out. I'm Sammy. See you in next videos. Stay subscribed.